Actually, to do that, there is kind of volume here in the body of this rabbit. Then we need something to replenish this and be able later to take it off without deforming the shape. I choose this, but you can have anything there. One of the things that you have to do, whatever you choose the base, is like wrap with paper, because the paper is going to stick into the clay. Then it will be more easy to remove whatever you put there as a support. Normally, all the clays figurines, they require like a structure. This is going to be our structure, but we have to put this away after we make the model. That's a little bit challenging. But one of the things that we are going to use right now, is to wrap these slabs to that base in order to make the body. Maybe we are going to start like this because the body is going to be at least that long. Then let's see. Now you can see that we have to melt the two pieces together, okay? That's very important to have later a solid structure and figurine, okay? Then we know that here, now we have like the base of the body already here. And you can, it goes like this. Of course, we have to add more material here and try to go a little bit down. Maybe we are not going to go that down because our structure means the styrofoam that we use is quite big. We don't want that. Being shown, because okay, that's okay. Now we have more or less the body structure here.